Taparia. Who don't know about Taparia? It is the one of the best brand of India. So, in this video, I will tell you all items made by them and an interesting journey started by them. Taparia Tools started manufacturing hand tools in 1969 in India in a technical collaboration with a reputed company of Sweden. The senior management from Taparia Tools had gone to Sweden and took a practical training in their plant for more than a year. The senior technical manager from the Swedish company also came to India and stayed here for about 2 years to establish technology in India with appropriate hand holding. Tapara Tools had since then consistently producing all hand tools in India with the exact technology of its collaborators. Now, without wasting too much time, let's move to the products made by them. Tapara adjustable spanner, forged with a high grade of steel and treated them to give long trouble-free service. Also, they were available in bright nickel chrome finish, black frostbite finish, and also with a soft grip to provide comfortable gripping in use. The next come pliers. In Tapara, pliers of various types, but the plier that is usually used is combination plier. It comes with high grade of steel, forged and differentially heated is treated to give best performance. Fully insulated with a quality plastic material, sleeves ensure safe electrical working. The types are long nose plier, bend nose plier, side cutting plier, circle plier, circle nose plier, pincers, tower pincers, water plumb pliers, wire stripping pliers, fishing pliers, and wire stripping pliers, drain trap pincers. We need screwdriver in our daily life. Tapar has a wide size of screwdrivers. The special quality of them is that they are made with high grade of steel and transparent green cellulose acetate handle. Some of them are flat screwdriver, insulated screwdriver, Phillips screwdrivers, 2-in-1 screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, striking screwdriver. Also, you can get screwdriver set. There are three types of testers in Taparia. The first of all is a line tester. It has fully insulated blade to ensure shock-proof working. The second comes multi-purpose digital line tester. It is used to locate points of an insulated wire to check flow of an current of an insulated wire from outside. The last comes 3-in-1 line tester. It is easily to check live and neutral wire. All you need in Taparia, you can get in Yogiraj Hardware and Electricals. You can contact them by mobile number or email ID. We regularly need tool set at our company and at home. So Taparia has bring the universal toolkit and home toolkit. It specially bring all the products which are used regularly. Oh my god, in Tapara there is various types of sockets, also with various accessories. Also they comes in various types of toolkits. Sockets such as socket square drive, XL socket, deep socket, heavy duty hexagonal socket, and many more. With many accessories like key handle, ratchet handle, angle handle, speeder brace. The pipe range of Tapara has jaws provided with best matching strength and firm gripping without beating on jobs as happen in the other makers. The jaws are dropped forward, firm, high grade of carbon steel. Also there are other types of pipe range for other uses. Tapara always has a vision of safe, sure, efficient and economical with tools. It gives its customer the best value for money. Tapara are tools maker to the nation. Switch to Tapara and experience the difference. The hammers are available in ball pins and cloth version. Their head are dropped. Food is made from high grade of steel to ensure safe use. Also, there are many types of hammers, such as a regular hammer, claw hammer, club hammer, siege hammer, electrical hammer, and many more. The spanners of Taparia are made from high grade of steel, forged and accurately machined, hardened, and tempered to give long trouble-free service, provided with appropriate surface protection for rust prevention. Many types of spanners are used for many types of use, such as double-ended spanner, box spanner, tubular box spanner, ring spanner, combination spanner, single end open jaw spanner, and their sets. There are numerous types of cutters and blades with a high quality grade of steel, which enables firm and comfortable grip. Here are some of the cutters and blades made by them, like bolt cutter, spare blade set for bolt cutter, cable cutter, tin cutter with spring, PVC plastic pipe cutter, snap-off cutter, and blade of them, utility knife, hacksaw blade. The next comes Allen keys. They are made from expensive high grade of alloy steel, available in brown and black finish. Also, they are offered in loose as well as in set. Also, they are available in extra long ball Allen key. It is one of the widest range of Allen keys in India. For more items, Tapara has added more toolkit and more toolbox such as professional toolkit, two-wheeler toolkit, plumber toolkit, and toolbox such as cantilever toolbox, plastic toolbox, two-in-one plastic rolling toolbox, and tool trolley. In competition of cutting wheels, Tapara is one of the best among them. Tapara has introduced more wheels. With here, I am here to tell you the more products of cutting wheels made by them, such as tuber cutter, segmented cutter, T-City wood cutter, cut-off wheel, velcro disc, and a new introduction of new products of mini Holsa cutter. With more product, it has also started making drills and files. The last but not the least, I am going to tell you about Tapara non-sparking tools. They are provided with protection against fire and explosives. Also, they are non-magnetic and corrosive resistant. They protect workmen and plant from fire-related accident. It is approved by government recognition laboratory in India. It is made by beryllium, copper, and aluminium bronze. While wrapping my topic, I will introduce new product made by them, such as oil can, grease gun, screwdriver bit, and many more. It will be available probably in next 2 months. And yes, don't forget to order any of the tools from Yogiraj Hardware. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.